All right, so we took our orientation melting point. Looked like it was completely melted at 130, but we did the orientation melting point very quickly. And so I've let the melt temp apparatus cool to around 105, and I'm going to set it at a lower setting so that the temperature increases more slowly. That way we can get the temperature measured accurately. Get that middle one there. Okay, so I've inserted a new tube of unknown number 8 into the melt temp apparatus, and I turned the setting on to 3. 3 might be a little bit slow, but I want this to be a very careful and accurate melting point measurement, and so we need to take it rather slow. You're kind of lucky that you're watching the video because you could skip ahead and save a little bit of your time. Okay. So it's actually hasn't started heating back up yet. It's 100 degrees right now, and so we'll just watch it, and I'll call out the temperature, and we'll see what happens. I'm going to turn it up to 4. So the setting is on 4. This is unknown number 8, and the orientation melting point that we took very quickly, it looked like it was around 130. We're going to raise the temperature much more slowly this time to measure the melting temperature more accurately. So it's up to 101. 102. 103. 104. 105. 106. 107. 108. 109. 110. 111. 112. 113. 114. 115. 116. 117. 118. 119. 120. 121. 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135. You can see the orientation melting point was not very accurate because it was made too quickly. So we're taking this one much more slowly and carefully, so hopefully it will be more accurate. This is 136. 137. 138. 139. 140. 141. 142. 143. 144. 145. 146. 147, 148, 149, 150, 151, 152, 153, 154. Looks like it's completely melted now. So the melting temperature for unknown number 8 is 152 to 154. That's quite a bit different than the orientation melting temperature. But as you saw, when you increase the temperature so fast in the melt temp apparatus, the measurement's not accurate. It did give us a ballpark idea of where to start looking for the melting temperature, but it was not accurate at all. Temperature is now 155, just to give you an idea of what it looks like at 155. All right, this is unknown number 8. What we need to do now is figure out what is the identity of unknown number 8. So we need to look for compounds that have a melting temperature around 152 to 154. We'll create mixtures of unknown number 8 with these compounds that have similar melting points. And remember that a pure compound has a sharp melting point, but a mixture has a lower and broader melting point. And so if we mix unknown number 8 with a compound that's identical to unknown number 8, it should still have the same melting point range, 152 to 154, but if we mix unknown number 8 with the compound that's different from unknown number 8, the melting temperature will be broader and lower temperature. So temperature right now is 157, and that's what it looks like. So I'm going to go make those mixtures,